Welcome back, my dear entrepreneur hamsters. Always glad to see you here. In any kind of business, the main goal is profit, right? That classic buy low, sell high. Same thing goes for services or even factories pumping out products. But here's the twist. That's just the surface level of sales. What if I told you some companies actually sell at a loss? Sounds kinda crazy, doesn't it? But the truth is, sometimes there's a whole business strategy behind it. So let's take a closer look together at just a few examples of how this works.
Xbox lose money on this to make a profit on this. Costco loses money on this to make a profit on this. McDonald's lose money on this to make a profit on this. Cinemas lose money on this to make a profit on this. Gillette lose money on this to make a profit on this. And HP lose money on this to make a profit on this. The real money isn't in what gets you through the door. It's in what keeps you coming back.
Wow, I love when things aren't explained with dry theory, but with clear, real-world examples. And this approach to business is seriously clever. Sometimes you make just a little, or even take a small loss on producing and selling a product. But it all pays off when customers come back for servicing, spare parts, or consumables. Same story in the auto industry. Dealers might earn next to nothing on the car itself, but fees, insurance, and maintenance bring in the big bucks. So remember, friends, don't always focus only on profit from the initial sale. Think bigger, think long-term, and what looks like a loss today could turn into pure gold tomorrow. Keep tuning in to sharpen your business game. Catch you in the next episode. And don't forget, hamsters are power. One for all and all for one.